Hello, miền múa tỏi à, in hoa ia mà chẳng hậu lũng, tú ắt về nói hòa, biển hình ăn chân YouTube quân mà bùa tùng, biển chẳng nhé hòa, biển hiếu chẳng nhé hòa, và con mà bùa ở chỗ Citizen, nói US Citizen, chỉ mà ca ở bên chỉ mà ca Citizen đó, mà bùa chuột nói hộ nói mảng nói chuột, nói ia thảo nhé chẳng tỏi, chỗ ta yêu chỗ ta lau hà lô tu chụp linh hàng lô, để ta mắt sẽ hỗ tập về YouTube để in hoa ia, mắt sẽ hỗ lũng tập về YouTube, quân miền mùa thành miền xăm, chỗ tu hai biển hiếu tầm bùa mình thành tum bùa mình chỗ bên mà ca miền, chỗ bên US Citizen. Yet.
What is the supreme law of the land?
Hắn yung chỗ nói tề buông nhé rô chìa lăng chìa nhé lấy.
The Constitution.
Constitution. E.
What does the Constitution do?
Constitution này. So hắn yung cận nói.
Sets up the government.
Liệp suốt hùng cha nhé lấy phiền tài.
Protects the basic rights of Americans.
Siêu lũng mê ca miên nhé bèng phim họp lấy nhé cháu. Bùa.
The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words?
Constitution nhé xuất đảng quốc tế bùa chỗ hòa. Con thảo bùa miền hay chỗ tú bùa cần nhé hùng cha. Cun tú bùa cần. Thang hà nọ con nè tế bùa chỗ hòa.
We the people.
Tùng bùa cần nè tế miền. Bê.
What is an amendment?
Amendment này. Hãy dùng cái này.
A change to the Constitution.
Thiếu tế của Constitution nhé lấy phiền.
An addition to the Constitution.
Thiếp tế lấy phiền. Tài bịa Constitution. Bia.
What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
Xuất đảng quốc tế diệp tiêu amendment này. Bùa thang hà nó hiểu.
The Bill of Rights.
The Bill of Rights. Bang phim họp lấy nhé sâu. Chú.
What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Yếm ta yết tiêu amendment tài. Thô mày con yết nhung bang phim họp lấy nhé cháu.
Freedom of speech.
Xuôi pin bùa cần ỏi con hay nhung yếu tú.
Freedom of religion.
Xuôi pin bùa cần ỏi chẳng hay nhung yếu tú.
Freedom of assembly.
Xuôi pin bùa cần cấp chun tài ỏi châu hay nhung yếu tú.
Freedom of press.
Xuôi pin bùa cần ỏi phía tú suốt hay nhung yếu tú. Xìa.
How many amendments does the Constitution have?
Bùa nhé Constitution mai bụt xìa nom amendment.
27.
Nhé chịp xiết nom. Hiết.
What did the Declaration of Independence do?
Ua chăn Declaration of Independence này. Dẫu hãy nhung cả nái.
Announced our independence from Great Britain.
Con bùa Great Britain tây buông. Bùa mê ca miên. Bùn gọi bền bùa cần nhé tây buông mẹ. Đùa.
What are two rights in the Declaration of Independence?
Con y nhung bang phim họp lấy nhé cháu. Tùng yếm Declaration of Independence ua.
life,
ช่วยปินบัวเย่แมงทั้งหานอเจียงอย่าตุ
liberty,
ช่วยปินบัวกันทั้งหานอกินอย่าตุ
pursuit of happiness,
ทั้งหานอหล่อเย็นโยเย่เจ้าใส่ช่วยบัวกันอ้อยทั้งหานอหล่อเย็นโยเย่เจ้าใส่ช่วยกันอ้อยเจียบ
what is freedom of religion,
ช่วยปิ่นบัวกันอ้อยจังให้ยุ่งอย่าตุนายให้ยุ่งกับนาย
you can practice any religion or not practice a religion,
บัวให้จังให้ยุ่งไฟจังให้ยุ่งใส่ช่วยปิ่นบัวกันกินเจียบเอียด
what is the economic system in the United States,
จันมากาแต่ปุงหมายให้ยุ่งแสงเอเยเจ้า
capitalistic economy,
แปะฟิงเมียนกันกุ้นแสงเอเยเจ้าหุงจาไม่ให้กุ้นแสงเอเยเจ้าไม่เจนเจียบเย
what is the rule of law,
โตเลเยเลนายให้ยุ่งกับนาย
everybody must follow the law,
tạo tao miên ỏi chủ ấy lồng lây phiền
leaders must obey the law, nobody is above the law,
lem dấu bia miên ỏi chủ ấy lồng lây phiền dấu mai mai hai tao cầu lô phải cầu thăng lây phiền diệp farm,
name one branch or part of the government,
con yết nhung cháu phải con buồn yếm hùng cha của nhùa
Congress,
dấu xuất lấy nhây quan chân mà ca hòa hiểu Congress,
legislative, president or executive,
dấu bia nhây quan
judicial,
tim lấy xiêm chuối nhây quan diệp phế
what stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful,
hay nhung dấu bùn hùng cha nhây lệnh chế nhây quan mai hay hên chia đảng
checks and balances,
bèn phim nhê bùn gọi cha nhây cháu
separation of powers,
nòm nòm lệnh chế nhây quan hay tim mặn tìa cháu ua quan diệp hứ
who is in charge of the executive branch,
hai tàu cun dấu bia nhây quan
the president,
diệp lụa
who makes federal laws,
hạ nòm hùng cha nhê lệnh chế nhê quan dấu xuất lô chia nhê lấy
the Congress, or the Senate and the House of Representatives,
Congress tung dấu xuất lấy nhê quan ua diệp thiết
what are two parts of the U.S. Congress,
Congress phải dấu xuất lấy nhê quan này mai y nhung ua tế y nhung này hay nhung
the Senate and the House of Representatives,
the Senate, the House of Representatives. Diệp bết
how many U.S. senators are there,
chân mấy ca tê pung mai bụt diệp tàu senator
100,
diệp bẹ tàu diệp chua
We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years?
Bua kinh tài nhé Senator tụ châu bật diện hàng công
6.
trụ hàng nhei chiếp.
Who is one of your state's U.S. Senators now?
Thô con nhiệt tàu California tề nhé Senator nhé bùa
Barbara Boxer.
Barbara Boxer.
Dianne Feinstein.
Dianne Feinstein nhé chiếp yết.
The House of Representatives has how many voting members?
The House of Representatives ua quan miền hiệt chung mai bụt diệt tàu tùng hay vô tụ nhé miền
435.
phê bẽ pha chiếp tàu nhé chiếp nhé.
We elect a U.S. representative for how many years?
Bua kinh tài nhé House of Representatives nhé miền tụ châu bụt diện hàng công
2.
y hàng nhé chiếp farm.
Name your U.S. representative.
Thô con mày nhé y sẵn ua tàu House of Representatives nhé miền nhé bùa
Daniel E. Lundgren.
Daniel E.
Lundgren.
nhé chiếp phê.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
House of Representatives nhé miền châu công ty hay tàu
The state's people.
Việt Nam lát nhé miền nhé chiếp
Why do some states have more representatives than others?
vậy hai tiểu mai Nam pa lát mai House of Representatives nhé miền cao chám
The state has a higher population.
vậy chủ Nam pa lát mai bẹ phình cao chám nhé chiếp lụa.
We elect a president for how many years? 4.
Bua kinh tài ua tàu châu tụ bụt diện hàng president bia hàng nhé chiếp chiết.
In what month do we vote for president? November.
Bua kinh lồng president yếm hà nom thá November chiếp yết há ua nhảy chiếp pết.
What is the name of the President of the United States now? Barack Obama.
Y chăn chăn mà ca tê pung nhảy president hiểu hay nhúng Barack Obama nhảy chiếp chúa.
What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? Joe Biden.
Y chăn chăn mà ca tê pung nhảy president nhảy long hiểu hay nhúng
Joe Biden.
pha chiếp.
If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president.
Bên hang ua tàu presidentไม่ให้โจกงนอหายเต่าเป็น president เยลองฟ้าเจียบเอียด
If both the vice president and the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Speaker of the House.
เป็นหางอวตอ president แองเฉาอวตอ president เยลองอีเต่าไม่ให้โจกงให้เต่าเป็น president House of Representatives เยโจโลก้องว่าเยเมียนฟ้าเจียบเย
Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? President of the United States.
Hai tàu dấu bèn màn nhei cún gì nhei tùm bèn bế. President Pha diệp phàm.
Who signs bills to become laws? President of the United States.
Hai tàu xin phía dìa tài nhei sâu bên lây phiến. President Pha diệp phế.
Who vetoes bills? President of the United States.
Hai tàu hai tỏi tịch xin bùa bùn phía dìa tài nhei sâu bên lây phiến. President Pha diệp hứ.
What does the President's cabinet do? Advise the President.
Thánh President dấu công nhé ua quan miền này dấu hay nhung công. Thánh giáo tỏ chân President dấu công. Pha diệp lụa.
What are two cabinet-level positions?
Yếm của nhớ thánh President dấu công nhé ua quan miền mai chia nhung chia khang nhé công miền dấu chân. Ua tế dấu chân nhé công xê liều lấy cấu yết nhung nhé công chia khang nhé. Thô con y nhung dấu chân nhé công.
Secretary of Agriculture.
Cấu liang đầy kèng choáng nhé chiên.
Secretary of Education.
Cấu hộ giảng nhé cháu nhé chiên.
Secretary of Defense.
Cấu bùng xin nhé chiên.
Secretary of Energy.
Cấu lồng tiến nhé xì nhé chiên.
Secretary of Labor.
Cấu dấu công nhé xì nhé chiên. Pha diệp thiết.
What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws and explains laws. Resolves disputes and disagreements.
Tim lấy xiêm cùi lệnh chế nhé quan này dấu hay nhung. Tim lấy anh chàoพ่อ mình lấy thánh trọ lông tung làn tỏi tịch giang làn nhé xỉ. Pha diệp bết.
What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court.
Lô chia nhé sán xỉ tòng yếm chân mê ca tệ bông này hiểu hay nhung. Supreme Court tùm xỉ tòng phải tùm sán. Pha diệp chúa.
How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9.
Tùm xỉ tòng này mai bụt xìa tàu xiêm cùi chân. Đùa tàu. Phấy diệp.
Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts.
Y chăn. Hai tàu dấu chân mơ ca tệ bùng nhé lô chìa lăng chìa nhé xiêm cùi chân. John Roberts. Phấy diệp yết.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? To print money, to declare war, to create an army.
Yếm bù nhé Constitution mai tệ chá xê tung lô chìa nhé hùng cha nhé chá. Thô con yết nhung tung lô chìa nhé hùng cha nhé chá. Dấu nhàn. Print nhàn. Con thảo ỏi bó trà. Bà cạt bó trà. Siêu bang. Phấy diệp nhầy.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Provide schooling and education. Provide protection. Give a driver's license.
Yếm bu nhei constitution mai te cha se tung lát nhei hùng cha nhei cha. Thô con yết nhung tung lát nhei hùng cha nhei cha. Lưu lấy họ tong nhei cháu. Cấu bẹ phiền nhei cháu. Bún yêu thia nhei license. Phê chiếp farm.
Who is the governor of your state now? Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Ý chân hai tao châu mày nhei lát nhei bia.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Phê chiếp phê.
What is the capital of your state? Sacramento.
Hà Nội mung châu mày nhei lát nhei tôm chính. Sacramento. Phê chiếp
What are the two major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican.
Yếm mê ca của cha mai y nhung. Lô nhei giang chiu dềm của nhei quan. Thô con ua tê y quan miền nhei bùa. Democrat. Anh thảo. Republican. Phê chiếp lùa.
What is the political party of the president now? Democrat.
Ý chân nhei president. Bịa Hà Nội giang chiu dềm của nhei quan. Democratic. Phê chiếp chiết.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Nancy Pelosi.
Yếm House of Representatives. Tung hai tao châu lô nhei quang hỏa nhei Mienh.
Nancy Pelosi.
Phê chiếp bết.
There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Any citizen can vote. Women can vote. Men can vote. All races can vote.
Mai bia nhung amendment. Yếm constitution ua. Quang thảo. Tung hai nhung miền hai vote tu. Thôพ่อ mình nhei. Quang nhung. Ua tê miền tài. Tạo tao tung pen citizen. Nhei miền. Hai vote tu nhei. Mkun chàng. Mxía. Vote tu dình. Mkun hai phiền miền. Ya vote tu dình. Phê chiếp chúa.
What is one responsibility that is only for U.S. citizens? Serve on a jury. Vote in a federal election.
Tung yết nhung khung mê ca. Nhei citizen miền. Họp dụ lưu lệ quân dìa. Nhei xây hai nhung. Châu phai xì nhei công bầu. Châu jury nhei công bầu. Vô yếm lăng chìa. Nhei xiên kinh nhei xì. Chiếp.
Name one right that is only for U.S. citizens. Vote in a federal election. Run for federal offices.
Thô con yết nhung. Bang phim họp lệ nhei cháu. Tung. Họp hùi mê ca. Nhei citizen miền hăng. Vô yếm lăng chìa. Nhei xiên kinh nhei xì. Đâu xài. Quầy bên. Lăng chìa nhei. Châu lô miền. Chiếp yết.
What are 2 rights of anybody living in the United States? Freedom of expression. Freedom of speech. Freedom of assembly. Freedom of worship. The right to bear arms.
Con y nhung. Bang phim họp lệ nhei cháu. Bún thảo. Tạo tàu. Tung yếm mê ca tê pung nhei miền. Xuôi pin. Buaกัน oi. Châu hay nhung ấy lệ giả tú xuôi pin bua can ỏi con hay nhung giả tú xuôi pin bua can cắp chốn tài ỏi châu hay nhung giả tú xuôi pin bua can ỏi chẳng hay nhung giả tú xuôi pin bua can ỏi lồng tú chồng nhei cháu diệp nhei.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States of America.
Hai chàng bua con the Pledge of Allegiance ua bua lẹng tình xiên thảo hay nhúng chàng mà ca tệ buông diệp pham.
What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? To give up loyalty to other countries. Defend the Constitution and laws of the United States. Obey the laws of the United States.
เป็นมากา Citizen เมียนแหลงตายในสี่โทกองหยุดหยุ่งตายกวางตุงไม่ไม่เหี้ยวอ้อยเตี้ยหยุ่งแต่ปูงในสี่แทงเจียนมากาแต่ปูงใน Constitution แองเฉาเลยฟิงมวงไอเจียนมากาแต่ปูงในเลยฟิงเจ็บเฟย
How old do citizens have to be in order to vote for president? 18 and older.
บทเสียงหยังเย่ Citizen เมียนทิ้งตายให้ vote to president เจ็บเป็ดหยังเจ็บ
What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Vote. Run for office. Give an elected official your opinion on an issue. Write to a newspaper.
ก้องอีหยุ่งเจ้าตรงจัดมากาเมียนให้แทงตุนินบัวเย่หุ่งจา vote เย่เจ้าเด้าสายหวยเป็นเปี้ยเย่เมียนเย่เจ้าปุ้นจะเอแทงไม่เย่โจโลเมียนเฟี้ยเฟียนจุยปุ้น newspaper หนังสือพิมพ์เย่เมียนเจ็บลัว
When is the last day that you can send in federal income tax forms? April 15th.
ตรงให้จันกะห้านหอยฝูงไม่เย่ Federal Income Tax เย่ฟอร์ม April 15เฟยลาเจียบเจ็บเช็ด
When must all men register for selected services? Age 18.
หานอมเย่หยังเจหยุดจุ้งเยมจังตอนอาจุฟาวบัวเป็น Selective Service ตะฟานหุงจาเฉียมจุแปลงเมียนนอนินบัวละกวยกินเมียนตายเจ็บเป็ดหยังเจ็บเป็ด
What is one reason that colonists came to America? Freedom, economic opportunity, escape persecution.
เวยหาติวว่าเตโลนหอยเยจันเปียวตายไปกาแต่ปุ้งช่วยปิ่นกันให้กินอ้อยโจเยสีโจแซงเอสีโลหายเปียวจุเมียนหอยเยเจ้าเจ็บจั่ว
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? Native Americans.
ตรงให้เตเมียนเยี่ยมเจนมากาแต่ปุงด่างว่าเต chân bẹ tài thảo chân Indian tung Native American quốc tế lụa diệp.
What group of people was taken to America as sold as slaves? Africans.
Tung hai tây miên chủ chân rõ tài mê ca tây buông mài dấu nấu chân chia lụa diệp yết.
Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes. Taxation without representation.
Vậy hai tiêu tài đàng mê ca tây buông quốc tế chân bẹ chào chân England bỏ trả. Vậy chủ quốc tế chân England siêu dầu chín bà lạ chám hải. Vậy chân England khung siêu dầu chín hăng ya bùn nên bùa con hay nhung. Lụa diệp nhei.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson.
Hà tàu phía xuất Declaration of Independence. Thomas Jefferson. Lụa diệp farm.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776.
Tông hạ nòm hoi Declaration of Independence. Bến xuất tái. July 4. Yết chín chiết bẽ chiết diệp lụa. Chiết là sang phấy. Yết chín chiết bẽ chiết diệp lụa. Lụa diệp phấy.
There were 13 original states. Name 3. New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia.
Quốc dân chân mê ca mai diệp farm nòm lát đảng thô con bùa nòm tài.
New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia.
Lụa diệp hứ.
What happened at the Constitutional Convention? The Constitution was written.
Yếm Constitution như quỷ. Nín bùa dấu hay nhung. Nín bùa phía xuất Constitution. Lụa diệp lụa.
When was the Constitution written? 1787.
Tông hạ nòm nhắn Constitution phía xuất tái. Yết chín chiết bẽ bết diệp chiết quên nhắn. Lụa diệp chiết.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers. James Madison, Alexander Hamilton.
Quốc dân Federalist nhei chây thính dấu buôn Constitution xuất bên lấy. Con tàu tùng phía xuất Federalist nhei chây nhei miền tài.
James Madison, Alexander Hamilton.
Lụa diệp bết.
What is one thing that Benjamin Franklin is famous for? U.S. diplomat. The first Postmaster General for the United States.
Tông hai nhung dấu buôn Benjamin Franklin mai mình hổ lô. Dấu chân mấy ca nhé chiêu thông miền. Tao tao chân mấy ca tề buông nhé phùng phiền nhé tổm bế. lụa chiệp chúa.
Who is the father of our country? George Washington.
Tung hai tao châu bua nhei tây pu nhei tía. George Washington. Thiết diệp.
Who was the first president? George Washington.
Tung hai tao châu tao President George Washington. Thiết diệp yết.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? The Louisiana Territory.
Yếm yết xin pet pẹ bùa vinh hằng. Mê ca tây pung mái chân phlang nhê hai tây đau. Louisiana nhê đau. Thiết diệp nhê.
Name one more fought by the United States in the 1800s. The War of 1812. Mexican-American War. Civil War.
Con yết nhung tung chân mà ca bọ trà. Tung yếm yết xin pet pẹ vua tây chàm. Bọ trà yếm yết xin pet pẹ diệp nhê vinh hằng. Chân mếch chào chân mà ca bọ nhê trà. Yếm nai cu nhua căn nhê cuộn chẳng trà. Thiết diệp phàm.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South. The Civil War.
Con chân mà ca nhê bạ pung chào nam pung nhê bọ trà nhê cháu. Yếm nai cu nhua căn nhê cuộn chẳng trà. Thiết diệp phẩy.
Name one problem that led to the Civil War. Slavery.
Con yết nhung xì. Tung châu pun yếm nai cu nhua căn nhê cuộn trà mai bọ trà nhê xì. Mai châu nô nhê cháu. Thiết diệp hừm.
What is one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? Freed the slaves.
Tung hai nhung mà làm lụng hai nhê cháu. Tung Abraham Lincoln châu tại ua. Bùn gói châu nô nhê miền. Thiết diệp lụa.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Freed the slaves.
Emancipation Proclamation này châu hai nhung. Bùn gói châu nô nhê miền. Thiết diệp thiết.
What did Susan B. Anthony do? Fought for women's rights.
Susan B. Anthony ua tàu chân muang. Châu hai nhung. Thình xiết ton giang thảo chủ nhê cháu. Thiết diệp bết.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. World War I. World War II. Vietnam War.
Con yết nhung tung chân mà ca bọ trà. Tung yếm yết xin chua pẹ vua tây chàm. Bọ ta yết dùn lùng đĩa nhê tôm trà. Bọ ta nhê dùn lùng đĩa nhê tôm trà. Bọ Việt Nam nhê tôm trà. Thiết diệp chúa.
Who was the president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson.
Tung bọ ta yết dùn lùng đĩa nhê tôm trà vua chăn. Hai tàu châu President Woodrow Wilson. Pết diệp.
Who was the president during the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin Roosevelt.
Tung sang ấy đót lông hè nhê chàng hồ. Anh chào bọ ta nhê dùn lùng đĩa nhê tôm trà vua chăn. Hai tàu châu President Franklin Roosevelt. Pết diệp yết.
Who did the United States fight in World War II? Japan. Germany. Italy.
Chân mơ ca thảo hai tàu bỏ tay nhẹ dùn lùng đĩa nhẹ tôm chá. Japan, Germany, Italy. Bết diệp nhẹ.
Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What was the war he was in? World War II.
Eisenhower แกล้งเป็น president ว่าจันนินเป็นเหยียดเต่าแปลงเปี้ยเบาะให้จุนจ๋าเบาะแต่เยจุนลุงเดียเยต้มจ๋าเป็ดเสียบฟาร์ม
During the Cold War, what was the main concern for the United States? Communism.
ตรงนินบัวเบนเจนเบาะจ๋าเยจ๋าสีว่าแต่ถามจันไม่กล้าว่าเหว Cold War จันไม่กล้าเจ้าเหเจียเยเจ้าไหนให้ยุงจันหลุมตรงเหี่ยวเยเจ้าเป็ดเสียบเฟ
What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Civil Rights Movement.
ให้ยุงจะทิ้งใต้ให้โจปุ่นเมียนมั่งไฟแต่ใหญ่ฝิงเมียนต้มจวงแจงปุ่นเต่าตุยวนใหญ่เจ้าเป็ดเจียบหืม
What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Fight for civil rights.
ว่าจัน Martin Luther King Jr. เจ้าให้ยุงแจงปุ่นเต่าเมียนตุยวนฝีดงเป็ดเจียบลัว
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States? Terrorist attacked the United States.
จั่วหลาเจียบเอียดอีชินเหยียดอ้วนหอยเยี่ยมจันมากาไตปูงหมายให้ยุ่งต้มสีชดจัน terrorist จันสามสุเบาะจันมากาไตปูงเป็ดเจียบเช็ด
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Navajo.
ก้องเหยียดฝิงจันอินเดียนเยี่ยมจันมากาไตปูง Navajo เป็ดเจียบเป็ด
Name one of the two longest rivers in the United States. Missouri River. Mississippi River.
จันมากาไตปูงหมายอีติวดาวให้เยได้โทก้องเหยียดติว Missouri River Mississippi River เป็ดเจียบจั่ว
What is the ocean on the west coast of the United States? Pacific Ocean.
หายติวค่อยเยี่ยมจันมากาไตปูงเยบนหอยดอดแหมง Pacific เยค่อยจั่วเจียบ
What is the ocean on the east coast of the United States? Atlantic Ocean.
หายติวค่อยเยี่ยมจันมากาไตปูงเยบนหอยชดแหมง Atlantic เยค่อยจั่วเจียบเอียด
Name one U.S. territory. Puerto Rico.
มาดุนดาวเสมเจจันมากาเยมป่าจันมากาไตปูงเข่งหลิวเลยกุนเจียนจันมากาว่าเหว territory ว่าดุนดาวเหวให้ยุง Puerto Rico จั่วเจียบเย
Name one state that borders Canada. Washington. Idaho.
ก้องเหยียดนอมรัดตรงชาวแคนาดาแกะจันกับจ่ายอัว Washington Idaho จั่วเจียบฟาร์ม
Name one state that borders Mexico. Texas, California,
con Việt Nam lát tuần sau Mexico ghé chân cặp trại ua Texas, California, chúa diệp phẩy.
What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C.
Chân mà ca tê buông dầu lô nhẹ miền yếm nhẹ muông hiểu hay nhúng. Washington, D.C. chúa diệp
Where is the Statue of Liberty? New York Harbor.
Statue of Liberty yếm hải đảo New York muông. Chúa diệp lụa.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes? To represent the 13 original colonies.
Quầy hai tiêu bùa nhây kê mai diệp phàm tiêu lẽ. Con thảo tung đàng qua tề diệp phàm nòm lát nhây ấy lấy. Chúa diệp thiết.
Why does the flag have 50 stars? To represent 50 states.
Quầy hai tiêu bùa nhây kê mai diệp nòm lấy. Con thảo diệp nòm lát nhây ấy lấy. Chúa diệp bết.
What is the name of the national anthem? The Star-Spangled Banner.
Chân mà ca tê buông nhây bảo dung kê hiểu hay nhúng. The Star-Spangled Banner. Chúa diệp chúa.
When do we celebrate Independence Day? The 4th of July.
Hai chân bùa chia chip hầu Independence Day buông gọi dân yêu nhiên hoi. Thiết là sang phẩy tuần July 4 wa. Yết bé.
Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Christmas, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, New Year's Day.
Con yên hoi mê ca tê buông nhê tình công hoi. Christmas, Independence Day, Thanksgiving, xiang hiang hoi, New Year's Day. Anh chia tai, con thảo, conพ่อ mình hòa nhé ấy lấy. Constitution. Ua chân mê ca khu chăng, tụ na nòm tẩy buông tai. Nhìn bua, chăng lang, bền tụ lấy phiền tai. Phía chuột. Yếm chân dây, liu, nhìn bua hiểu, Constitution. Constitution. Ua khoai dây, bền. Nai tẩy buông nhé, lô chia, nhé lấy phiền. Bill of Rights. Ua nhìn bua, phía chẳng Constitution. Cả hai nhìn bùa bọt Constitution nhé lấy phiền. Ngân cầu nhìn bùa ảnh thiếp cha diệp tiêu lấy. Ua tế diệp tiêu lấy hiểu Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights. Amendments. Ta phan nhìn bùa bọt Constitution nhé lấy. Mấy họp phai mấy cầu nhìn bùa chiều coi trò lấy lồng tai phai thiếp tế cha bịa nát tế xiang thiếu tai nhé lấy phai thiếp bịa nhé lấy nhìn bùa hiểu Amendment. Declaration of Independence. Ua chân mày cho England như miền bùn giàn tại thảo nai mê ca tẩy buông yếm nai. Bà England như hùng sổ cún chân nên bùa bền như bẹ phình và siêu dâu chín hĩa hại. Cả ha ua quan England như miền phía phiền phùng duôn mình bùn England như hùng ป้องบัวนินเยี่ยมนายมิงเยบัวไม่เป็นไม่เยแปะฝีงะเยบัวกันทิเลงเป็นเยบัวกันเยเตปูงะวัวควายเฟียนนินบัวเฮล Declaration of Independence The rule of law เยี่ยมนายเตปูงมาเหยียดติวเหลเซกุนเยียเหยียดจุ้งจันมากาเตปูงเยเหลวัวหยุ่งเหลเฮล The rule of law The rule of law เยเอเหลเซกองเถาไม่ไม้หายเตาเก่าโลไฟเก่าทังเลยหลัดเยเจ้ากุนโจเปียเยเมียนกุนปุดจอยเมียนไฟเสียมจุยเจียนไม่ไม้หายเตาจูเอเลยฟิง Congress เหยียดกวนโจเลยเยเจียนป่ามาอีเจ้าเยเมียนไม่เจ้าเฮล The Senate แองไม่เจ้าเฮล The House of Representatives กับตายเป็น Congress The Senate เหยียดเจ้าโจเลยเยเมียนเยี่ยม Congress กุญยัวเหยียดจุ้งไม่เหยียดแปะเตา Senator เยเมียนเหยียดนอมรัดเยโจเลยเมียนเหยียดนอมรัดไม่อีเตา The House of Representatives เหยียดเจ้าโจเลยเยเมียนเยี่ยม Congress กุญยัวเหยียดจุ้งไม่เฟยแปะฝาเจียมเตา House of Representatives เยเมียนเหยียดกวนโจเลยตีแปะฟิงเมียนเยี่ยม Congress เยกุญยัวนินบัวเยกงเซนหัง Senator เยเมียนเยกงป่าชะไม่ดง Senator เยเมียนโล Constitution เยวีโลนหอยเยตมเลยฟิงวีวัวจันเจียกรแก้งไม้ Constitution ชุดจันมกาเยไกวเจียเยเมียนแองเฉาโลเจียเยเปียเหยียดจุ้งกับจุนตายโจวีก้องเถาเบนชุดเลยฟิงเยเจ้าเยี่ยมนานอมวีเนียนบัวเฟียชุดวัวควายเลยฟิงเยโซหรือเนียนบัวเฮล Constitution